because I am going to be testing out the new launch by Nykaa. It feels very good on the skin. Now I am seeing कि थोड़े थोड़े इसके पैचेस बन रहे हैं. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm sitting barefaced right now because I am going to be testing out the new launch by Nykaa, the Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. This is the foundation that I'm talking about and they recently launched it. Ever since this product has launched, I've seen a lot of people talk about it. So I wanted to test this product out for you guys so that you can decide whether you want to invest your money into this foundation or not. I'm going to talk about everything from price range to packaging to how the foundation actually applies on my skin and how it performs, how it stays throughout the day. I'm going to cover everything in today's video so that it becomes easier for you to make your decision regarding this foundation. Starting with the packaging, this does not come in any box. ये सीधा एक glass bottle में ही आया था. And to be honest, I like the fact that it's in a glass bottle. It gives a very luxurious feel to the foundation. However, it's not completely travel friendly. I have not opened it yet, but I know that it has a pump packaging, so that also is very convenient because a lot of foundations in this price range do not have a pump packaging. And that becomes a little inconvenient. One thing that attracted me the most towards this foundation was its price range because mostly अच्छे foundations जो भी launch हो रहे हैं सब like 800 से 1200 के budget में होते हैं and this retails for 599 and अब Nykaa का है तो ऑब्वियसली सेल्स होंगे एंड डिस्काउंट पे आपको उससे भी कम का मिल जाएगा. अभी तो नहीं बट फ्यूचर में जब भी इस पे डिस्काउंट्स लगेंगे तो इससे कम का ही अवेलेबल रहेगा. सो दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट. मैं हमेशा फिट मी या वेट एंड वाइल्ड सजेस्ट करती हूँ जब भी बिगनर्स को करना होता है क्योंकि वही फाउंडेशन है जो बहुत अच्छा भी परफॉर्म करता है एंड बजट फ्रेंडली भी है. बट इफ दिस वर्क्स आउट वेल देन दैट वुड बी ग्रेट. टॉकिंग अबाउट द शेड रेंज, दिस फाउंडेशन हैज 15 इन टोटल विच इज अ लॉट फॉर एन इंडियन ब्रांड टू कम अप विद. बट इंडिया में इतने ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्शन के लोग हैं दैट 15 शेड्स इज नॉट completely exclusive, especially for those people who are on the deeper side. This is not enough, although it's still better than a lot of brands that provides just 5 to 6 shades and call it a day, but still there can be a lot more inclusivity. Talking about the shades that come under this foundation, it has 4 undertones for different categories. For example, for fair, medium and deep, it has 4 undertones each. It has a pink undertone, it has a yellow undertone, it has an olive undertone and it has a neutral undertone. And then for the last category, which is tan, if I'm not wrong, they have 3 undertones. For this is how the shade range goes, and I saw a lot of swatches and figured out that Sand 07 would be my shade. So selecting shades online is always a gamble. I'm a little bit concerned कि ये मुझे सूट करेगा कि नहीं, because मुझे अभी PR नहीं मिलती. मैंने ये खुद खरीदा है and जिनके भी मैंने swatches देखे obviously they received it in PR. Let's see if this works for me or not. Okay, now I'm going to read out the claims that this foundation makes and then we'll see that if it's true to its words or not. It says Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation is your new go-to essential to look flawless from work to play. It cocoons your skin in a velvety matte coverage that feels like second skin. No touch-ups or mess-ups even after a 12-hour day. I don't think anybody is going to apply foundation for 12 hours. Mostly 6-7 hours में सब धो देते हैं. I'm going to do a wear test also, but not for 12 hours. Brands ये बोलती हैं कि आप इसको 24 hours या 12 hours तक लगा सकते हो, but I would suggest कि इससे पहले ही you should like 7 to 8 hours is the maximum amount of time that you should keep makeup on your face, not more than that, to protect your skin, no matter what the brand claims. Product description में it says reasons to love this foundation are it has a soft matte finish, it has a medium to buildable coverage, it is lightweight and comfortable, non-cakey on skin. For application, I'm going to do half of my face with a beauty blender and the other half with a brush so that you can easily choose for yourself. This is the first time that I'm opening this.
Oh my god. मैंने इसको गलत खोल दिया.
That definitely did not go as planned. Now let's give it another shot. तो पम्प बॉटल, इसको ऐसे करके खोलना, मेरी तरह बेवकूफ़ों वाली गलती मत करना, इसको घुमा मत देना. टाइम पे याद आ गया मुझे. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टू अप्लाई द फाउंडेशन, आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई अ प्राइमर. आई एम यूजिंग माय ऑल टाइम फेवरेट द Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. It has a creamy consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. You can see it's dripping down a little bit, but it's not very runny. This is the kind of consistency that I like my foundation to be of. अगर उससे ज़्यादा पतला होगा then it just doesn't perform well, and अगर उससे ज़्यादा thick होगा then वो बहुत ज़्यादा matte हो जाता है. That it's an all day matte foundation and इसकी consistency देख के मुझे लग नहीं रहा कि ये matte foundation है. I feel that it has a demi matte kind of finish. Now let's see how it performs. Okay, so I did pick the perfect shade for myself. Right now I've done half of my face and I feel that the shade perfectly suits me. Let's just see how it looks half and half. This side of my face looks much better than this side. I can see that it has a very natural effect on my face. Trust me, अगर मैं सिर्फ इस साइड को देखूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि मैंने यहाँ पे फाउंडेशन लगाया हुआ है. It has such a natural finish. The coverage is very sheer, I must say. अगर मुझे कॉलेज जाना या फिर सिंपल नो मेकअप लुक चाहिए हो तो उसमें इतनी coverage is enough. But for the sake of testing this foundation out, I am going to apply some more on this side only to see how it performs coverage wise. थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हुआ है जैसे ये पहले था एंड जैसे ये अब है, बट इट्स स्टिल मीडियम कवरेज. इट इज बिल्डेबल बट टू मीडियम कवरेज ओनली. यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट full coverage out of this foundation. Until now I'm loving this side, and now on the other side I'm going to use a kabuki brush to blend the foundation and see how it performs with the brush. Once again I took 1.5 pump because मैंने यहाँ भी 1.5 pump लगाया था. So this foundation blended beautifully with the brush as well, and I'm loving the finish that it has on this side. You can clearly see that यहाँ पे ज़्यादा coverage है as compared to this because obviously Beauty Blender absorbs a lot of product. This side looks very natural as compared to this, and I like both of these finishes. It just depends on what kind of finish do you prefer for what kind of occasion you're getting ready for. मैंने 1.5 पंप लिया था, उसमें से मैंने हाफ प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किया. सो मान लो मैंने 3/4 पंप यहाँ पे यूज़ किया हाफ साइड ऑफ माई फेस के लिए, एंड इट कवर्ड इट कम्प्लीटली. इफ यू यूजिंग अ ब्रश यू नीड 1.5 पंप फॉर एंटायर फेस, एंड अगेन अगर आप ब्लेंडर यूज़ करो तो 1.5 to 2 पंप्स में you will manage. Feels very good on the skin. It doesn't look like you have caked up foundation on your face. As it says, it has a non-cakey finish, so it does stand true to its words. I just love the kind of feel and the kind of coverage and the kind of look that this foundation has given to my face as of now. Since this side looks more full coverage as compared to this side, and I have some foundation left on the back of my hand, I'm going to apply that on this side as well ताकि coverage भी balance हो जाए और ये waste भी ना हो. इसको मैं अपने finger से ही blend करके देख लेती हूँ to see कि ये finger से भी कैसा perform करता है. Okay, now the coverage looks balanced out and it blended beautifully with fingers as well.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so my base is done and I did not feel any kind of problem while applying the concealer and while blending it. Easily merged हो गया. My foundation did not move, and that's again a plus point. I'll complete the rest of my face and be back. Okay, so I'm back after completing my full face of makeup, and I know this girl right here doesn't look like Shivani. This looks like someone else. I normally do not go for such bold makeup looks, but after this video I have to shoot a reel, and to match with the vibe of that reel I've done this kind of a makeup look. And honestly it feels good to step out of my comfort zone and do something different. Coming back to the foundation, I love how the foundation looks like with full face of makeup. The foundation is meant for normal to combination skin type, and मेरा skin type भी वही है. लगाते हुए it did feel that the foundation is matte, बट इट डिड नॉट फील कि बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो रहा है. कहीं पे भी कोई ड्राई पैच नहीं था. And you can see for yourself it looks so stunning, even though it's a natural foundation, but full glam के साथ भी it's looking pretty amazing. Right now it's 2:30 PM and I'm going to do a wear test. For that wear test I'm going to keep this makeup on for 6 to 7 hours and I'll keep checking in बीच में to show you कि how this foundation is performing. ये कैसे oxidize हो रहा है, oxidize हो रहा है कि नहीं, इसका shade change हो रहा है कि नहीं, ये कहीं से crease हो रहा है कि नहीं. उस तक के लिए I'll keep on checking in between. तब तक के लिए I have lots of work to do. I have to make an entire setup for the reel, then I have to film a reel, I have to start editing this video, I have to edit that reel, I have to make some assignments. बहुत कुछ करना है, so बीच में I'll keep checking in. So now I'll see you guys in some time.
3 hours later.
Hi again, so I'm back after 2.5 to 3 hours and उस टाइम में मैंने अपनी रील शूट कर ली. मैंने अपना सामान सारा समेट लिया, मैंने लंच कर लिया एंड मैंने एक टेलर स्विफ्ट का कॉन्सर्ट भी कर लिया अपने बेडरूम में. मतलब मैंने काफ़ी कुछ किया इतनी देर में एंड माई मेकअप इज स्टिल इंटैक्ट. आपको अगर कुछ फ़र्क लग रहा होगा तो वो मेरी आइज़ में लग रहा होगा बिकॉज वेयर टेस्ट फाउंडेशन के लिए माई आइज़ couldn't take lashes anymore. So I just removed the lashes. You can clearly see foundation has not moved at all. ये अभी भी वैसे का वैसे लग रहा है. There are no creases whatsoever and I'm absolutely loving how my makeup is looking right now. 3 hours तो मोस्टली सब फाउंडेशन चल ही जाते हैं. One good thing about this foundation is कि मेरा टी जोन इस टाइम तक ऑयली होना शुरू हो जाता है बट मुझे एज सच इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं लग रही है. It's literally looking as it is जैसा पहले लग रहा था. Still now it's a thumbs up and now I'll give my final reviews 2-3 घंटे बाद.
3 hours later.
Okay, so I'm back and it's 8 o'clock. मुझे like 6 घंटे हो चुके हैं ये फाउंडेशन लगाए हुए. And it still looks pretty good. I have no complaint whatsoever because foundation के जो भी claims say it is true to its word. It said that it has a soft matte finish and इसकी exactly वही finish है. It feels very matte and at the same time it felt very soft and light on the skin. It said that it had a medium coverage and coverage भी इसकी decent है. And it also claimed that it's non-cakey and that's also true. अभी मुझे काफ़ी देर हो गई लगाया and now I'm seeing कि थोड़े इसके patches बन रहे हैं. वो भी बहुत हल्का, मतलब आपको ऐसे तो कैमरा में समझ ही नहीं आ रहा होगा. अगर मैं एकदम शीशे पे घुस के देख रही हूँ तो मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़े पैचेस बन रहे हैं, बट दैट इज बिकॉज आई हैड पुट दिस फाउंडेशन थ्रू अ लॉट. मतलब मैंने फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप के साथ मैंने अपना पूरा दिन निकाला है. आई स्टार्टेड एडिटिंग द वीडियो दैट यू आर सीइंग राइट नाउ एंड देन उसके बाद मेरे वर्कआउट का टाइम हो गया था एंड आई डिड नॉट वांट टू मिस माय वर्कआउट एंड आई कुड नॉट रिमूव द मेकअप एज वेल फॉर द सेक ऑफ दिस वीडियो. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू वर्कआउट विद द मेकअप ओनली एंड मैंने लाइक 45 मिनट्स का इंटेंस वर्कआउट किया है इस मेकअप के साथ एंड उसके बाद भी यू कैन सी द कंडीशन. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा ऑयली लग रहा है तो दैट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द स्वेटिंग ऑफ द वर्कआउट एंड अगर आप फाउंडेशन लगाओगे तो यू वोंट बी जंपिंग अराउंड डूइंग कार्डियो, सो दैट्स ओके. आई डोंट माइंड दैट. इन फैक्ट इट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट कि इतने एक्सर्शन के बाद भी दिस डिड नॉट बज. बस हल्का सा मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरे चिन के नीचे से थोड़ा कलेक्ट हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे कलेक्ट हो रहा है. दैट्स बेरेबल कंसिडरिंग आई पुट दिस फाउंडेशन थ्रू अ लॉट. इट्स अ थम्स अप फ्रॉम माई साइड. इफ यू फाइंड योर शेड आप आंख बंद करके ये ले सकते हो. दिस लाइक मेबेलिन फिट मी हर स्किन टाइप को सूट करता है एंड हर पर्पज के लिए यूज होता है. आई थिंक दिस फाउंडेशन इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. ट्रस्ट मी, मैंने सिर्फ अच्छा बोलने के लिए अच्छा नहीं बोला. आई वॉज ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट विद द रिव्यू थ्रू आउट द वीडियो, सो यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट मी. This foundation was priced for ₹600 and it's worth every penny. That was it for the review and I hope this was helpful for you. I hope this helped you make a right decision. Let me know अगर आपको किसी और प्रोडक्ट का भी रिव्यू चाहिए. I'd happily do it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and share this video. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Brush as well. हर बार. Then I'm going to apply concealer and foundation powder, but it's one good